Okay.
Blakey, can you say, whew, hot? Can you tell me what a choo-choo train says?
Choo-choo.
That's right, choo-choo. Can you touch your nose? Your eyes? Where's your mouth? Where's your hair? Where's your ears? Oh, good job. And you're pulling on them. Very nice. Did you go swimming in the pool today? The pool? Pool, that's right. What else can you say now? You can say a lot of words. Eat? Yeah, in a southern accent. You got that from Olivia, right? Did you go swimming with Olivia?
What are these?
Are those keys?
What are those?
Bueno, gracias.
Right now. Can you say truck? Truck? Car. Those are car keys, you're right. Can you say hot? Hot. Can you say cool? Cool.
¡Aplauso!
What
Muy
does the
bien.
dog say? What's a doggy say?
Woof woof, muy
What does a
bien.
duck say? That's
Cuac
right.
cuac, muy bien.
What does a lion say? Yeah.
Cuac cuac, dice el pato. Bravo.
What does a lion say?
Wow.
Right. An owl says, whoo whoo. That's right. And a bird says, tweet tweet. That's right. And a monkey says, what does an elephant say? The elephant says, that's right. Yeah, that's a bear.
No, go ahead. Say the last thing.
Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. That's sweet. Bye-bye.